sit on the couch, I fake a read. Same room, two hearts that no longer meet. Dinner goes cold, our eyes don't connect. Love turned routine, what did we expect? The kettle whistles, no one moves. Your goodnight legs, every groove. The bed is wide, yet I shrink small, lying beside you, but not there at all. Are we still here, or just our shells remain? Where did the kisses go, the sweet, the flame? We sit in silence, hearts screaming loud. All this love now, just living out loud. You ask how my day has been, I say it's fine, with no meaning within. Your laugh that lit the room is gone, and I miss you before you're even gone. Are we still here, or just our shells remain? Where did the kisses go, the sweet, the flame? We sit in silence, hearts screaming loud. Oh, yes, love, just living out loud. Can we rewind to better days, when our hands knew what to say? Now we barely touch, barely try. Maybe we've left and forgot to say goodbye. Are we still here, or stuck in a fear? Is this still love, or just staying near? Truth cuts deeper than goodbye. I see you each day, but you already said goodbye. With your eye, with your eye. Yeah, yeah, when I saw you again, your shadow by the gate, like time stood still. Same tired eyes, but softer still. No words were ready on our tongues, but silence spoke what's left unsung. We stood there, two hearts outgrown, but our eyes found home unknown. When I saw you again, the world stood by, like all our pain had had said goodbye. Your name still stuck behind my breath. An old embrace brought life to death. I said no words, I didn't run, but you were there, and I was done. Cause what is real when it remains just needs the will to cross the flames. I told you things I used to hide. You smiled without a need to pry, and in that moment, clear and slow, the past let go, but didn't go. We stayed there, caught between what we had and what could have been. When I saw you again, the time stood still, like the world had waited and always will. Your scent awoke what I lay low, and every step brought me back home. I said no words, I didn't run, but you were there, and I was done. Cause what is true when it survives just needs the courage to arrive. It wasn't end, it wasn't start, just time collecting what fell apart. Two souls that swore they hadn't moved on, but knew the pull was never gone. When I saw you again, I finally knew everything always led me back to you. Even the hurt that made me leave was just a way to make me see that nothing beats a look so plain from someone who still feels the same. And what is real, my love, my friend, comes back home, comes back again. Passing by, and hit it harder than our goodbye. The end, I thought I could survive, but seeing you smile took all my fight. You look so light, like you'd never cry, while I was sinking deep inside. These streets we used to walk as two now echo loud with just my view. It hurt, but now it screams, watching you move on haunts all my dreams. Wasn't the end that broke me down, it's knowing your pain is no longer around. They said that time would make it fade, but every day feels just the same. And when they laugh beside your side, I fake a smile, then go and hide. It hurt but now it screams, watching you move on haunts all my dreams. It wasn't the end that broke me down, it's knowing your pain is no longer around. To see you laugh cuts more than loss. No memories live behind that gloss. I'm just the echo of what we had, still screaming in a world gone mad. It hurt but now it screams, watching you move on haunts all my dreams. It wasn't the end that broke me down, it's knowing your pain is no longer around. A little candle where you used to lie, the smoke rolls up like a cold goodbye. The floor still holds your fading trace, like time forgot to clear this place. I say your name into the dark, shadows never leave a mark. Your silence screams louder than we, louder than fights, louder than me. Every word you left unsaid still hangs where we once shared a bed. And I would trade my pride tonight for just one wrong to make it right. But all I hear, all that remains, are echoes of your silent flames. I wrote a song you'll never hear, played it soft to feel you near. The needle skips, avoids the part that hits the most, just like my heart. I whisper truths into the air, but your silence still meets me there. Your silence screams louder than the end, louder than cries. I won't pretend. Every hug we didn't keep still drags me deeper in my sleep. And I would burn these lines again if they could somehow draw you in. But all that's left, all that stays, are echoes where your silence plays. There was no goodbye in your breath, just the weight of words you never comes in waves like a cold, sharp truth. And I would lose my voice for good if it would make you understood. But all I gave, all I knew, are echoes of your silence too. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, 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 no. You came without a grand parade and showed me love that doesn't fade. No games, no race, no bitter tone, just time, some truth, and so grown. Your eyes became my quiet shore. Your touch calmed storms I felt before. In your silence I find peace, and in your arms my doubts release. It's peace to have you near. No need to run or fear. Each breath a sacred song. With you, I feel I belong. You didn't come to heal old scars, but somehow realign my stars. With laughter, care, and steady ground, you taught me love is safe and sound. We laugh at things no one would see, and even gray days feel light with thee. In storms, your gaze pulls me through. Everything feels right with you. It's peace to have you near. No need to run or fear. Each breath a sacred song. With you, I feel I belong. To hear you breathe so close at night feels like a prayer, soft and right. And if time dare pull us apart, loving you stays in my heart. It's peace to have you near. No need to run or fear. Each breath a sacred song. With you, they said that time would help me heal, but time just carved your name in stone. The empty frames, the dreams unreal, the life we lost, the love we've known. The days move on like they forgot, the laughter echoing in these halls, and every turn the world takes now, I stumble where your memory falls. I still love you, even with no reply, no return, no knock, no reason why. I still love you, though you're gone from sight, even when I lie to my heart at night. Your scent has faded from the air, but sometimes I swear it lingers still. Maybe it's just my mind replaying the love I haven't learned to kill. Your name still echoes in my prayer, though I claim I moved ahead, but I know I haven't left that place where I watched you turn and said, I still love you, even with no reply, no return, no knock, no reason why. I still love you, though you're gone from sight, even when I lie to my heart at night. Don't remind me that it's done. The mirror does that every dawn. Some love even when it's gone. Keep screaming like a silent song. I still love you, even with no reply, no return, no knock, no reason why. I still love you, though you're gone from sight, even when I lie to my heart at night. Lights in the room stay on all night, like you might come back, like it's alright. Your blanket's still there on the chair, and I pretend I don't care. The wind knocks soft on the door, just like your footstep once before. Your toothbrush waits by the sink, and I still try not to think. You're still in everything, in what I see, in what I flee. Each quiet breath still says your name, and I fall silent just the same. The streets we walk now feel so cold, like every step's a story told. I avoid the mirror by the hall. It shows the day you left it all. The songs you loved, I stopped the sound, but somehow they still come around. And when they do, I close my eyes and feel the ache I try to hide. You're still in everything, in what I see, in what I flee. Each quiet breath still says your name, and I fall silent just the same. They said that time would heal the pain, but time just drew a deeper frame. I tried new arms, I tried to mend, but emptiness knows how to pretend. If someday you decide to come, you'll find I left it all undone. Even my sorrow waits for you, afraid to break what we once knew. You're still in everything, in what I see, in what I flee. Each quiet breath still says